In this video, we're going to learn about order of operations. So if we have a problem like this that says solve 2 times 2 plus 2 minus 2. So we have several operations in there. There's multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So the first step is to solve an expression with multiple operations. You need to follow the order of operations called BEDMAS. So you're probably thinking to yourself, what the heck is that? So this is BEDMAS. This is the order in which things are done. So first you do brackets, then you do exponents. Don't worry about that right now. We haven't learned that yet. Then you do divide, then you do multiply, then you do add, then you do subtract, BEDMAS. Okay? So now we follow the arrow and see that we multiply first for this expression. So we have multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So if we follow this arrow, we multiply first. Okay? And it's important to know that you always move from left to right for any expression. So you move this way, from left to right, this way. So from left to right. So we're going to multiply first. So we're going to multiply these two numbers together first. Multiply first. 2 times 2 is 4. So then we complete our sentence by putting down plus 2 minus 2. Now the next thing to do is, if we look at this expression from left to right, we have to add. The next thing we do is add after we multiply. So we could just add these two together, and they're equal to 6. And then we bring down what's left over here, which is the minus 2. And finally, we do our subtraction. So 6 minus 2 equals 4. So the answer to the above expression is 4. Now don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You should make sure to take a close look at the little chart there that shows BEDMAS and what each one means. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. There's resources in the description to links to videos of mine that I've done that are also like this. As well, you could download the ebook and follow in the ebook this exact lesson. And make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for listening.